This is the window. It leaked like in between here, and all of this was soaked. And they came in, the guy came in and he pulled, because it was just soaking wet, and this was 4 weeks later. And then, you know, they did all that, so they literally just got this pulled out on Thursday. So, and the
what else
flooring,
was-
they tore up the flooring in here. They're gonna have to change these baseboards. They're gonna change those out. And see, over here, you couldn't see water sitting here, but there was a lot of stuff in here because my son's things were in this room and that room was full. But you could see the water line that came to here. And, you know, about right there is ground. You know, there, or was dirt out there. But I think because it came off of the roof, it just came right down in there. So, but all of this, it didn't really buckle, but it lifted. So they got all that out, and since we were going. So, we'll see. It went all the way back to there. And then came all the way over here. So they've got to fix all of this. And whoever did that, which I know who it was, but I'm not saying, they've got to fix that too, because they cut the support, hello. But they've gotten all this stuff out, and so they'll have to redo. I mean, it was something. And it was sopping wet. So.